sweets. For today's tutorial I wanted to try one of the other palettes that I got from the BH Cosmetics site. This one is called Glamour, or I don't know if I'm pronouncing correctly. The point is that I was really curious about it and I really like the other one, especially how easy it is to blend the shadows. So I went today to use it and came up with this look. So I hope you like it, and without further ado, let's jump to the tutorial. Today, instead of starting with my face, which is my usually go-to, I'm gonna start with my eyes, and I'm gonna use my BH Cosmetics Glamreflections in Glamour, this one here. And I was looking forward to the moment that I could actually use the other ones. This is the setup of the palette here. So let's see what I do with this. That's why, or the main reason that I'm gonna start with my eyes instead of my face, because I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with my eyes. So just to go with the safest route, I'm gonna do first my eyes and then I'm gonna do my face. So for starters, I'm gonna prime my eyes with my NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in 03. And to blend it out, I'm gonna go with my Sephora Pro 57 brush. So I'm gonna go with this rose. It's one of the lightest shade that I have in this palette. Is this one here. It is a matte color as well. And I'm gonna use for my Linda Halbert 304 brush. I'm applying it as always in circular motions, a little bit higher than my natural crease since I have hooded eyes. And I think I'm gonna go for kind of a halo kind of look. Now I'm gonna go for this plum shade here. And I'm gonna apply it with my Linda Halbert 303 brush. I'm gonna apply it slightly lower than the first one that I went to. Now I'm gonna use this mauve shade here, and using the same brush, the Linda Halbert 303 brush, I'm gonna apply this mauve shade in my inner corner first. Now in my outer corner. I'm gonna blend it in a little bit with the dark rosy shade that I have in my crease. I'm going back to the palette and I'm gonna use the rose shade that I first picked, this one. And using my MAC 224 brush, I'm going to try to blend everything together. Going with this color over almost everything that I have applied to blend all those harsh lines that I have. Now I'm gonna use my Luxie 249 brush and I'm gonna go again with the dark pink color. I'm gonna intensify a little bit my inner and outer corner. I'm gonna go with this chocolate shade here. This is another matte color. And I'm gonna use as well my Linda Halbert 303 brush. Now to the negative space that I have been leaving in my lid, I'm gonna go with this gold shade. I'm applying it with my finger first. Now to help me blend a little bit more that shadow, I'm gonna go with this plum metallic shade here. And I'm gonna apply it with my Sigma E16. So it will help me blend it while I'm applying it as well, since I'm doing it in tapping motions. I'm gonna do a wing liner and I'm gonna use my Pretty Vulgar, the ink gel eyeliner. This is in color Blackest. And I'm gonna use my Sigma E11. First I'm gonna start with the initial part of my eye, drawing the line, and then try to thicken it a little bit more. And now I'm drawing the tail of my liner and connecting it with the rest of the line in my lid. I'm feeling it now. Now I'm gonna do the rest of my face. First, I'm gonna start with priming it. I'm gonna use my BareMinerals first step, this product here. And for primer, I'm gonna use my BareMinerals as well, Prime Time Foundation Primer. And I'm gonna press this into my trouble areas. Now I'm gonna apply my foundation. It has been a really long time since I have used this one. It's the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte in 105. This used to be my go-to every time I apply foundation. So I hope it doesn't fail me now. Using my EcoTools Wonder Cover Complexion, I'm gonna buff this into my face. For concealer, I'm gonna use two. First, I'm gonna use my Algenist Reveal Color Correcting Eye Serum Brightener to place it here. I'm gonna blend it with my Vasanti Concealer Buffer. And now I'm gonna use my NYX HD Photogenic Studio Concealer in 03. And I'm gonna place it over the Algenist one in the bridge of my nose, my Cupid's bow, my chin, my smile lines, and my forehead. And to blend it, I'm gonna go with my EcoTools Micro Blending Brush. I'm starting first under my eye. I'm gonna take advantage of this and clean this area here. Now my smile lines, my Cupid's bow, my chin, the bridge of my nose, all over to my forehead. Now I'm going to set my under eye, and I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. But instead of using a powder puff, I'm gonna use the same brush from EcoTools to set my under eye, my smile lines, my Cupid's bow, my chin, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. For bronzer, I'm gonna use my Bobbi Brown bronzing powder in medium 2. It has like an ashy undertone, which helps you to bronze at the same time contour your face. A little bit in my forehead, and I'm gonna connect it with the one in the hollows of my cheek, in my jawline, and I'm gonna do the same thing, connect it with the ones in my cheek. I use my MAC 224 brush. For blush, I'm gonna use my Studio Makeup Luminous Loose Blush. And to apply it, I'm gonna do it with my Crown Blush Brush. I'm gonna place it exactly in the apples of my cheek. And I'm gonna blend it with my bronzer. To set my entire face, I'm gonna go with my Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in 15 Light. And I'm gonna use to apply it my MAC 150 brush. I'm gonna dust this in my entire face and my neck. And now to illuminate my entire face, I'm gonna go with my Physician Formula Youthful Wear Youth Boosting Powder in Translucent Illuminating Finish. And this one, as always, I'm gonna dust it in my entire face. I'm gonna apply my highlighter, and I'm gonna use my Colourpop Flexitarian from the Super Shock Chic collection. And I'm gonna use my crown brush from my trio set that I got in my BoxyCharm. And I'm gonna use this highlighter in the high points of my face. First, I'm gonna start with my cheeks, my Cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, and above my eyebrows. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. And first I'm gonna start with my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer in Dark Brunette. First I'm gonna brush my eyebrows upwards. For this eye look, I'm gonna try to be as precise as I can with my eyebrows. So let's start with drawing the arch of my eyebrows first. I'm gonna fill in the little gaps that I have. Now I'm gonna buff the product that I have already placed in my eyebrows. And now to set everything in place, I'm gonna go with the Brow Gal, the Tinted in Brown Hair 02. And I'm gonna brush them upwards first. And now I'm gonna place the hairs exactly where I want them to be. I'm gonna apply a little bit of the same highlighter into my brow bone. I usually don't apply anything to that area because I have it really light. So today, I don't know why, I changed my mind. So I'm applying it a little bit there in tapping motions. I'm going to tightline my eyes and I'm gonna use my Vasanti Kajal Waterline Eyeliner in Intense Black. Using this Crown Detail Shadow Brush, I'm gonna use the black shade that I have in this palette. And I'm gonna apply it in my bottom lashes. This shadow isn't as black as I would want it to be, but it will have to do. I'm applying it all over my bottom lashes. And now with this Crown Chisel shader, I'm gonna go to the, I think I'm gonna use the mauve shade here to have a really smoke out bottom part. I'm placing this shadow below the black one. And using another detail brush from the Crown, I'm gonna apply the same highlighter from the Colourpop in my inner corner. I'm gonna apply falsies and I'm gonna use another one from Azeredo Cosmetics from its Lash collection. And I think I'm going go with Irresistible. It's the second one on the road, this one. I'm gonna press my lashes and as always I use the help of a tweezers to do so. First I press the center, now the sides. And for mascara I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise in Blackest Black. First I'm gonna do my bottom and then I'm gonna do my top. First my bottom. For lips, I'm gonna go with this shade. This one is from Lipstick Queen. The name is Coral Sinner. As always, I draw first my Cupid's bow. I think I'm gonna apply a little bit of gloss just in the center of top and bottom lip. I'm gonna go with my Stila Magnificent Metal in Rose Quartz. Just in the center. And to set everything in place, I'm gonna go with my Milani Make It Last setting spray. So sweets, this is the final look. I love how my eyes look and the lip. Usually I don't go for a coral one. My lips are either really dark or really light, and this kind of a middle kind of a thing, I'm trying to adjust myself to it, but I really like it. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please press the bell button, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!